Hi everyone, it's Mark and welcome back to our video newsletter. In this video, I want to talk to you about the Baker Act and how long it takes us to get somebody out. So when families call us and they decide they want to hire us, one of the first things they're going to say to me is, Mark, how long is it going to take? How long does it take to get somebody out? What happens if it's on the weekend? Does it take any longer? And so, look, I'm going to tell you, I'll give you sort of the range, okay? But as a lawyer, I'm not allowed to make you guarantees, okay? I'm ethically prohibited by the Florida bar, okay? And I'm really proud of the fact after 27 years, I have a perfect disciplinary record, which means I've never been disciplined, okay? So I take my responsibilities as an officer of the court really, really seriously. And that means I got to operate within the confines of the rules of professional responsibility and Chapter 394, which is the Baker Act statute. But with that said, obviously after 27 years, I know how to get things done. And so I can tell you that while I can't make you a guarantee, that typically cases get resolved anywhere from 1 to 2 hours to about 5 days. Okay, I know that's a kind of broad range, but it really depends. Okay, there are some facilities that I've litigated against where as soon as I notify them that this is coming down the pipe, they're going to release your loved one. Okay, when they know they've been caught with their hand in the cookie jar because they're doing things illegally and they're violating, the Baker Act statute, they're going to let your loved one go. Okay, there are other facilities that are going to wait as long as they possibly can because sometimes a judge will order a hearing. They will order the facility to come before the court and explain why your loved one is being held illegally. Okay, and they'll wait until the last minute to let your loved one go. And if the court, needs a couple of days before it can hear the matter, that's the sort of window in which we're going to operate. And so I've had facilities who literally an hour or half an hour before the judge was supposed to hear the case, let the person go. Okay, and I can't tell you because I don't have a crystal ball in which cases that's going to happen. Okay, I just don't know. There are some facilities that we tend to sue more than others. Okay, and some of those facilities, once they know we're involved, they just don't want to deal with the aggravation we're going to bring. There are other facilities who are like, okay, yeah, we're going to fight, even though they know they're wrong. Okay, they simply don't care because they know the longer they keep your loved one, the more money they can bill for, the more insurance, money they can collect, and they just don't care. It's as simple as that. So, 1 to 2 hours and up to perhaps 5 days. That's the range. Okay. So, with that said, feel free to call me. We don't charge for a consult. Take care and be well.